Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the lower button right here. Keep holding it until you see the COROS logo on the screen. Then you can release it and wait until the watch is done booting up. Now let's go to the phone we want to pair our watch with. Make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Then open the App Store. Tap on search and tap on the search bar and type in COROS. And tap on search. And you should see this application with this icon. Tap on install. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. The watch took a while to boot up, but finally it did. And as you can see, we have a QR code. In your case, you might see a language first, or rather a list of languages, and it will ask you to select the language. And then after you select the language, you will see the QR code. In my case, I already selected the language before, and now it brings me to the QR code automatically. But the QR code is needed for pairing. So if you don't see it, select the language, and then you should see the language, or rather the QR code. Okay, in the app, you will need to log into COROS account. If you don't have one, you can always make a new one by tapping on sign up. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on login, enter the email address and password, of course. Select the box that I agree to the terms of use and tap on login. Let's tap on continue. Never got it. And we are in the app. Now we need to tap on profile and tap on add new device. As you can see, we need to allow some permissions. So tap on go to settings, allow the required permission. And now we need to scan the QR code from the watch with our phone. So basically you need to point the phone's camera on the watch. It's gonna keep zooming in, but after some time, it will grab the code and it will start pairing the devices. And as you can see, we need more permissions. Oh, let's try again. So let's point at the code, tap on go to settings, tap on allow. And once you allow the Bluetooth permission, it should keep pairing, or rather continue the pairing process. Tap on pair, confirm with the upper button, then tap on next. Okay, and you can allow or deny the permission for the location. And as you can see, we can set up our watch now, or you can restore to previous settings if you want to. I'm gonna tap on setup, and here we have a tutorial and also some settings. And basically here you can add and remove the workouts to the list of activity or activity list. You can add them by tapping on plus and remove them by tapping on minus. And once you're done, tap on next. Then we have the daily data, and basically it shows you how to use it. And also if you tap on next, it allows you to pick the data being displayed, and we can remove the data, add the data, and once you're done, you can tap on next. Then we have the toolbox. It also shows you how to use it. So basically to open it, you press and hold the lower button. And here we have the toolbox. And again, you can customize it a bit. You can add and remove the icons. And then you can tap on next, select the preferred wrist, preferred dial orientation, and then sleep time. This is useful for the do not disturb mode during sleep. And you can set up the time on which you go to bed, or set the time which you go to bed and the time which you wake up. And then tap next. And here we have notifications. If you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you will need to allow required permission right here. If you don't care, you can tap on cancel, and then I believe you can just continue without setting it up. But if you want to use the notifications, tap on go to settings, allow the required permissions, and then the notifications should be enabled. Then you can tap on next, complete, and you should see Pace Pro here. We can also download the audio files and tutorials. I'm just gonna tap on download later. We're not interested in that for now. We are on the profile page. Here we have our watch. The watch should be ready to use. Also, if you tap right here, it will open the settings for your watch and you can change some stuff. Basically, like the settings for your watch right here. You can change the watch faces, check the activity settings and stuff like that. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.